This is Aradhana. In my last video, I explained about educational psychology. Today, I am going to explain about educational technology. So let's see the video. In this video, I will give some notes on educational technology. Educational technology is combined with two words, that is education and technology. So first we know what is education, what is technology. Educational technology is relatively a new concept. It can be well understood if the meaning is just. Educational technology is combined with two words, first education and technology. Education means it is a modification of behavior. According to Gandhiji, aim of education is to draw out best from within the child. The word technology has been derived from two Greek words, technique, which means art or skill, logos, which means science or study. Thus, technology means the science or study of an art or skill. According to Erickson, technology refers to the tools of one's work. These tools may mean the hardware and the machines, or they may mean the theory and knowledge. Then second point is meaning of educational technology. Educational technology is a science of techniques and methods, including aids and materials by which educational objectives can be achieved effectively and efficiently. It is a system in education in which machines, materials, media, men, and methods are interrelated and work together for the fulfillment of specific educational objectives. So here we said that educational technology, it is a system in education in which machines, materials, media, men, methods, all are interrelated and they all work together for the fulfillment of specific educational objectives. So from this part we know that education basically aims at wholesome development of individual so that they can cope with emerging social needs. Then technology is a science of techniques to achieve the aims of education. So viewed in this sense, educational technology is seen as a systematic mode of designing, carrying out and evaluating the total process of teaching and learning in terms of specific educational objectives through the use of machines, materials, men, media and actual experiences. Educational technology includes the following processes. First, it defines predetermined objectives in behavioral terms. Second, it develops and constructs various methods and techniques, selects and applies the appropriate strategy, and creates conditions to achieve the predetermined teaching objectives, that is, the input. Third is it creates procedure for evaluating the learning outcomes, that is, the output. Educational technology is an applied or practical study which aims at maximizing educational effects by controlling the relevant factors such as course contents, instructional materials, educational environment, conduct of students, behavior of instructors, and interaction between students and teacher. Viewed in a narrow sense, educational technology refers to changing techniques, that is leading to new ways of doing things or the machines and materials. In a broader sense, educational technology refers to changing concept, new ideas and inventions, that is leading to new ways of looking at things. Educational advancement, efficiency in teaching and excellence in learning come through the dynamic interaction between changing concept and changing technique. There are some few definitions of educational technology here. First, according to Geo Lith, educational technology is the application of scientific knowledge about learning and the conditions of learning to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of teaching and training. Then, according to S.S. Kulkarni, educational technology may be defined as the application of the law as well as recent discoveries of science and technology to the process of education. According to J.P. Desico, educational technology is in the form of a detailed application of psychology of learning to practical teaching problems. Then, according to B.C. Mathis, educational technology refers to the development of a set of systematic methods and practical knowledge of designing, operating, and testing in schools. Then we know about the nature and the characteristics of educational technology. First is the basis of educational technology is science. Second is educational technology is an applied or practical study. In this study, scientific principles are applied to practical situations in teaching and learning. Then third thing it is a continuous, dynamic, progressive and effect producing system. Then fourth is it includes input, output and the process aspect of education. The school building, furniture and the teachers act as input. Various methods, techniques, strategy and audiovisual aids act in the form of a process learning that takes place is the output. Then fifth is it lays stress on the development and application of methods and techniques, models and designs and the effective organization of main materials and the learning environment. Then sixth, it doesn't set objectives of education. Philosophers and policymakers set educational objectives, but it defines predetermined objectives of teaching in behavioral system or terms. Then seventh point, it not only defines teaching objectives and develops designs and models for input and the process aspect of education, but it also develops measuring instruments for evaluation of output. Then eighth, it is not synonymous with audiovisual aids. It is more than use of audiovisual aids. Audiovisual aids are important elements of educational technology, but they are not everything. Then ninth point, educational technology cannot replace the teacher. It helps a teacher in making his teaching effective and promoting efficiency in students' learning. Then 10th point, educational technology includes the technology in education and the technology of education. Technology in education refers to the mechanization of learning through the use of aids and equipments such as chalkboard, maps, charts, models, globes, tapes, slides, radio, television, other teaching, learning materials, and computers. Technology of education refers to the use of various psychological principles, processes, methods, and techniques in education. It includes defining teaching objectives in behavioral terms, curriculum development, setting classroom climate, learning sequences, and programming etc. Then 11th point is educational technology includes both hardware and software in education. Hardware approach is also known as educational technology 1. It refers to the application of sophisticated equipments, electronic machines, computers, televisions, recorders, recorded tapes, etc. in the teaching learning process. Thus, hardware process means technology in education. Software approach is known as educational technology 2. It refers to the use of innovative methods, techniques, models, and instructional designs such as programmed instruction, micro teaching, interaction analysis. It is also known as instructional technology, teaching technology, and behavioral technology. The software approach means technology of education. In addition to educational technology 1 or hardware approach and educational technology 2 or software approach, educational technology also includes system analysis. System analysis is known as educational technology 3. It is also called management technology. It provides a scientific basis to the decision making relating to administration and management of education. So these are the points of educational technology. In my next video, I will explain about the scope, aims, objectives of educational technology and also the need and importance of educational technology. Thank you.